Take 34. Hey guys, welcome back to ASAP Math, where math is as easy as pie. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Anyways, today we have a special requested video from Miss Washington in Houston, Texas. So today we'll be learning about inequalities. Inequalities are expressions where one side is not equal to the other side, or is less than or greater than the other side. It can also be less than or equal to, or in that case, it can be equal to the other side. So you should have already learned about equations, which both sides are equal. Equations use a property of equality where both sides of an expression are equal. For example, 2x plus 3 equals 5, I'm sorry about that. 8 equals 7 plus 1. So there, both sides of this expression is true, so it becomes an equation. Or you can even use something like 3 plus 5 equals 2 plus 6. This would be true because both equals 8. Okay. Also, this uses the identity property or identity, where one number equals both on the same side, but but you do different things on both sides. For example, I can do x divided by 2 is the same thing as x multiplied by 0.5, because you're multiplying it, because you're either dividing by 2 or multiplying it by half, which is the same thing. Alright, now let's get right into the equation, to our inequality. So our inequality will include distributive property, fractions, as well as variables on both sides. So we have 6x plus 2 parentheses 3 over 2 minus 4x parentheses is less than 2 over 3x plus 2 plus 7x. So here we go. So first we use the distributive property, right? And the number on the outside must be multiplied by both numbers on the inside here. So here we have 2, which can be 2 over 1, not to be confused with reciprocal 1 over 2, because that'll be wrong. So we can multiply this, and you get 2 times 2 equals 6, and 2 times 1 equals 2. So we multiply this, you get 6 over 2, which you know equals 3. You can put the 6x in the beginning. So you get 6x plus 3, and you have to multiply 2 times negative 4. So 2 times 4 is 8, but since you have positive times negative, it becomes a negative. So you get minus 8, and then that's it. And that's just the coefficient. You must include the variable as well. So x less than, and same thing for the side. So 3 over 1, not to be confused with 1 over 3, it's reciprocal. So 3 times 2 equals 6, and 3 times 1 equals 3. So 6 over 3 equals 2. X. And then 3 times 2 equals 6, and this is positive 6 plus 7x. Okay, so now we're gonna combine like terms. So basically, whenever you have the same, whenever it's a constant or has the same variable, you can combine the coefficients or the constants. For example, 6x. So these two have the same variable, and we can combine this up. We can combine them on this side. So you can do 6x minus 8x, which equals negative 2x. And don't forget to include a constant, and then less than. So you can do, since there's no sign here, it'll automatically be positive, and then plus 7x. So what's plus positive 2x plus 7x equals 9x plus 6. So now you must use inverse operations to get, so we want to get the variables on one side and the constants on one side. So we want to use inverse operations to get this. So we can use inverse operation of subtraction, which is addition. And basically, the inverse operations is where it undoes the other side, or they're opposites. For example, subtraction is taking away something, while addition is putting it back. And multiplication is taking something and doing, like, for example, 1 times 3, you're putting 3 of that many number, which is 1. And division is the exact opposite. So we can do, so since it's negative 2, we have to do positive 2x on both sides, because you must do same thing on both sides. And you get 3 is less than 11x plus 6, correct? Since you add this, the coefficients, and then you can do same thing, minus 6 on both sides. You get negative 3 is less than 11x. So from here, what you want to do is we can bring it over here to get a more clear picture. Oh, I'll move this up a little so you can see. So once again, 3 minus 6, and then negative 3 is less than 11x, okay? And what we want to do now is we want to take negative 3 less than 11x, correct? And use it, and since it's 11 times x, because it's 11x, we want to use the opposite of the inverse operation, multiplication, which is division. So divide both sides by 11, and you get negative 3 over 11. My bad. Negative 3 over 11 is less than x, and that is the final answer. So please subscribe to my channel, and you can comment in the section below. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for Miss Washington for providing us with this great question. See you next time. On ASAP Math, where math is as easy as pie.